Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. And here kids book element bundle. You can also make a cartoon using these files, but these are protected. First unit subscription, go to sherryskpwt.com. Just one time payment for lifetime says, and here GFX packs for developer and graphic designer just in $10 for 1 month subscription. Okay, so here animal in space AI, and here PNG file, PNG space technology. Okay, and next camping set, PNG character and element, here forest tree. Next graphic set cartoon in EPS AI and PNG. Christmas character collections. Next cute solar system in PNG AI APS file for illustrator. Jungle animal. PNG border. Next kid drawing. Color drawing. Okay, and next Mimert and friends. Ocean. Okay, monster truck with animal. Same thing here. Robots. Transport alphabet. Here PNG. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. I love this.